Hey, how you doing? I'm here today to talk to you about Nyjah Huston's first signature shoe with Nike SB. I mean, this shoe looks amazing. Let's take a closer look at it. The material on here, it's a rubber material. So, I mean, the shoe is made for skateboarding. And when I saw pictures online, I wasn't sure how well it's going to hold up to kick flips and ollies, because that just tears up shoes. But when you feel this material, I mean, it's a rubber, and I've seen some videos, people have been testing it, 100 kick flips, and it doesn't even have a scuff on it. So I think you can, safe to say this shoe's going to hold up for skateboarding. You can see it has an inner boot that your foot slides into. The sole itself is supposed to be flexible, and it moves a little. It's supposed to move with every push of your skateboard, and yet still be comfortable when you walk around in it. And it is. It has the Nike free sole on it, so it's a comfortable shoe just to walk around in. So you can skate, keep the shoe on all day, and continue to wear it. This is the first in a line of colors they're going to do. This is the launch color, the all white. Nyjah hasn't said what the other colors will be. Then they'll probably do extra ones each year. Now the shoe right now is extremely hard to get. It sells out as soon as it gets online. I checked today, it's still sold out. So if you have the opportunity to get a pair of these, you find them in your local skate shop, or they show up online, pick them up. I think you'll be very happy with this shoe. I mean, it's a great shoe.